BondBliss presents. Do you want to find your love? But are you satisfied with finding just a lover? What do you think about if a high-value man becomes your life partner? If you want to attract a man of high value, first start prioritizing your life. Look at your assessment list and remove everything that doesn't add value to your life. In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 powerful rules that keep you attracting high-value men. Please take it down before you forget it, because this may change your whole life. Number 1. Be confident. It's important to be confident in yourself if you want to make a high-value man fall in love with you. He'll be able to tell when you're comfortable in your own skin. It shows that you are proud of who you are and what you have accomplished in life. He'll also be impressed by your confidence and self-esteem. A guy who is in love will always make you his number 1 priority. He will show this by making sure he's available to you and never flaking out on plans. He'll also be willing to open up and be vulnerable with you. To attract a high-value man, you need to prioritize your life. This means taking care of yourself, avoiding addictive substances, and working out regularly. It's also a good idea to practice healthy habits like eating well and getting enough sleep. You'll find that you will feel healthier and happier as a result. This will increase your confidence and help you attract a high-value man. So, start prioritizing your life today. Number 2. Be a team player. A high-value man understands that he can't succeed in life alone and that the people around him are important. This is why he always strives to help the people in his life, including you. He also believes that it's important to have good health, which is why he takes care of his body and mind. He tries to stay away from toxic patterns and emotions that can torpedo his well-being. A man of value knows his own values and sticks to them. He doesn't compromise his principles even if it means telling a white lie or doing something slightly unethical. He knows that if he wants to be successful, he has to be honest with himself and others. In addition, he loves to see his partner flourishing. He doesn't get insecure about who earns more money or worry that he isn't as educated as you are. Instead, he focuses on supporting your dreams and helping you achieve them. He will do everything in his power to protect your success because he believes that it will benefit them both in the long run. Number 3. Be a kind person. A high-value man is always looking for someone who can help him with his goals. He's attracted to women who have their own passions and interests, but also know how to use them in ways that benefit others. This kind of woman will never give up on her dreams and is always striving for excellence in whatever she does. Men are attracted to a woman who is motherly and nurturing. This doesn't mean you have to be a real mom, but it means that you are willing to do anything for your partner. This includes helping them reach their goals, even if it's just lending a shoulder to cry on. A high-value man is a good guy who loves himself, and he's always looking for ways to make others happy. He's not afraid to take a risk and go after his dreams, and he knows that life is short, so he wants to live it to the fullest. He has an abundant mindset and knows that there is always more good in the world than bad, so he shows it in everything he does. Number 4. Be a positive person. A high-value man is proactive and works to reach his goals. He understands that life is short and doesn't want to waste time on things that don't bring him satisfaction or growth. He is focused and determined to move toward his goal, which makes him a sexy guy. He is not afraid to make mistakes, learn from them, and try again. He knows that a positive mindset is key to success and stays away from negative people who can stifle his progress. He takes stock of his emotions, personality, and blind spots regularly to ensure that he is not going through life blind or repressing certain aspects. A high-value man is happy with his life and does not need a woman to make him feel complete. He has good friends, a nice career, and a healthy lifestyle. He is busy and enjoys being single. He believes that love is an added bonus to his life. He also understands the importance of self-care and does not use addictive substances or obsessive behavior like overeating. Number 5. Be yourself. A high-value man wants a woman who is able to accept him for who he is. This is a very attractive quality to most men. Many women try to mold their men into something they want them to be, but a high-value man will want a woman who is happy with him just the way he is. Men love intelligent women, and they also appreciate a woman who is confident in her own mind. Some women are afraid to show their intelligence in front of men, but a high-value man will love a woman who is able to hold her own in a conversation. A high-value man will appreciate a woman who takes stock of her own emotions and is not afraid to express them. For example, if a woman makes a bad joke at a party, she should not be afraid to admit that it was a bad joke and that it made her feel uncomfortable. This shows that she cares about other people and is not afraid to show her true emotions. So these are the 5 powerful rules you must follow if you want to attract a high-value man. What do you think? Do you already have these signs in your life? If your answer is yes, congratulations. You've almost there. If you have more ideas about this, don't hesitate to comment below. Please like us if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to encourage us to create more valuable content like this. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.